Yo, what's good, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna see how far I can get using just Chainsawman, the new Winterfell Present 3 in Infinite Mode solo. I would be bringing Katakuri, but he actually does damage, so obviously I don't want to fucking. It's supposed to be Denji only, so I want to make it that Denji only. So yeah, I'll get y'all back when I get around wave 50, 40, so I can let y'all know how I'm doing. Okay, it's currently wave 20. I'm sitting pretty good. I'm about to max out Jeff, and then I'm gonna max out Octo. I have my time, my slow. I'm gonna get buffing in a minute, but I'm gonna max out. Yep, here we go. Okay, I just got finished maxing them out. Octo's maxed, and hold on, he's not maxed. Okay, now he's maxed. I'm tweaking. Now Jeff's maxed. And yeah, I'm gonna be trying to max out these dingies right now. Expensive for no reason. I'm about to sneeze, hold on. Thank you, thank you. Yes, I can see through your screen, by the way. I'm just playing. Yeah. So, now it's time for buff. These units usually don't take too long to get back. Probably get them all maxed out by like wave 40, like pretty cheap, not gonna lie to you. Hold up, okay. Alright, let's see if I can do the buff right first try. Because I'm kind of slow. Max. Alright, buff this. Buff this. Posting at 209 buff. And then, if I can make this one work, it should be set at 250. My brook is at max, so that could also be part of it too. Okay, I'm fucking. So yeah, I will catch y'all back once I get the Denji's done, and then I'll take y'all near the late game where it's good. Be right back. Alright, sorry about that. I just got all Denji's maxed out. It's only wave 49. He's pretty cheap. I won't really be needing to do anything for a while because, like, it's wave freaking 50. It's wave freaking 50 right now. So yeah, I will catch y'all around wave 70 to 80, so you can actually see something interesting happen. All right, peace for a minute. And also, are you guys enjoying your Christmas?
Oh, hell no!
Alright, we are back. I'm finna start time stopping now. And yeah. Let's start time stopping. Alright, you're dead. You're all dead. Everybody's shot. We can try to get to wave 95 to 100. Let's hope for the best. That's what I wish for everybody on Earth. I hope for the best. And I got time stop back there just for extra precaution. Who let him cook? Like, for example, look, let's use this time stop. Then wait. He's Santa. Alright, here we go. The only thing that I say that's dragging Denji down is his 10 SPA. But that's about it. If he could hit faster, he'd be meta, but he's not. Time stop. And TS. That one escape. Alright. And then this is where it gets fishy. Who let him cook? Alright. This is a good one. Wait. Perfect. Wait, fuck. Oh shit, I think I just sold. Alright. It's not looking so good, boys. It's too many enemies on the field right now. Ooh, let him cook. Alright, they're slowly dying of bleed. We want that. Come on, come on, come on. Kill him, bleed, bleed, please. Fuck. Alright, boys. You saw here first. Wave 94 to 95 like I predicted. Tell me if you got to it faster or like got higher waves faster. I appreciate y'all. The damage is still going up. So around 60 bill, you know, like something light, not really crazy. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And just like ASTD just did, peace out.